Can I use cornstarch to thicken my watery curry?
Hello everyone! Today, we're addressing a common cooking concern: how to thicken a watery curry. And yes, we're specifically discussing how you can use cornstarch to solve this culinary conundrum. It's a simple and effective method, so let's dive right in.
Why is my curry watery?
Understanding why your curry turned out watery is the first step towards fixing it. There could be many reasons. Maybe there was too much water or broth added, or the vegetables in your curry released a lot of water. It's okay though, a watery curry is not a lost cause. With the right knowledge, it's a fixable situation.
Can I use cornstarch to thicken my curry?
The answer is a resounding yes. Cornstarch is a common thickening agent in cooking, particularly in Asian cuisines. It's perfect for thickening sauces, stews, and yes, curries. This quick fix solution can save your meal and turn a watery curry into a rich and thick one.
How do I use cornstarch to thicken my curry?
To use cornstarch to thicken your curry, follow these steps. 1. First, remove some liquid from the curry and allow it to cool. 2. Next, make a slurry. Combine equal parts cornstarch and the cooled curry liquid in a separate bowl, stirring until it forms a smooth mixture. 3. Finally, pour this slurry back into the curry while it's simmering, stirring continuously. You'll see the curry start to thicken almost immediately. Remember, always add the cornstarch slurry gradually and keep stirring. You want to avoid any lumps. Also, don't add too much at once. You can always add more if needed.
What if I don't have cornstarch?
If you don't have cornstarch, don't worry. There are other thickening agents you can use. These include flour, arrowroot, and even mashed potatoes. The method of application is similar to cornstarch, involving the creation of a slurry which is then added back into the curry. In conclusion, cornstarch is a fantastic way to thicken a watery curry. It's easy, quick, and won't alter the taste of your dish. So, the next time you're facing a watery curry crisis, remember this method. I hope this video has been helpful. Happy cooking!